song, you girls are doing your layering at the back. Then after this, everybody we again do another formation, and then we go into the last song. Make sense? Yes. So let's learn that. So we are going to start in our second position.
You're not going to finish that transition tag.
I'm not finishing that transition because it depends on the staging a little bit. It's more like a freestyle type of thing, a little bit of interaction, but it's based on like who's standing where. In the sense, whoever's closest to you, just go around them. That's why I don't want to worry about it too much. Yeah.
So we were facing backside.
Yeah. उसके बाद you guys are going to run. ये तेरा basically I think you just want to go up to a girl and maybe like lean on her or like.
And then come back.
Something not come back because you kind of
Force together.
Yeah, something like that. And then the next song, there's music in the beginning of the next song which we'll use to kind of spread out. Okay, let's try it. So you're in a second position. So you're just bending your knees. 1, 2, feet come together. 3, 4, you're a diagonal.
हमको भी करना है.
हाँ, देखो मैंने पूरा भी समझाया. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 3, 4. You join your feet. Your body is facing diagonal. Yes. Okay. From there, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other diagonal.
Okay.
Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Join your feet. 1, 2. Join your feet. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Yeah.
So while coming back, we should start going up.
Yeah, same thing. Doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hands are going. You're rolling towards yourself. So don't roll just your wrists. Your entire forearm you're rolling. Yeah. This is chest level. Don't drop it down. So you're going 1. Just do the hands. You're going left to right. 1. No, towards you. Yeah. So the roll should be going towards yourself. Towards in. Yeah. 6. No.
No.
6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. This hand goes down, this hand goes forward, forward. Straight arm, keep the arm straight. Just your wrist goes front. Audience, front. Like this.
Oh.
This way.
Oh.
Ushanti, go for diagonal. So do the hands again. 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and diagonal, diagonal. 1 and 2. No, sorry, the hand is different. Let's do this again. 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and forward and forward. From there it goes 5 and 6, not down, it's forward. It's forward. 5 and 6, this is going thumbs, like, showing your thumb. Forward, forward. So your thumb is going, Shovanti, other way, it should go towards the audience. Yeah. So you're starting here, it's going forward, forward. Yes? Yeah. Let's try that. Just the hand. 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and push and push. This is forward. Yeah. 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and push and push. 1 and 2 and thumb, thumb. Again. Other hand should be on just down. 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and push and push. 1 and 2 and thumb and thumb. Let's try with the legs. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. 1 and 2 to AC rakho na.
Coach.
3, 4 you join. Just watch it once. It goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8.
Bounce करना है.
Yeah. 5, 6. Well, not for this because we already bent, but for the other legs. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Keep your other hand down. Put it there. And diagonal. Remember it's diagonal. Again 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Make sure you join your feet. Feet should be joined. One last time, guys. Focus a little bit on the weights. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 feet together, together, forward, feet together, together. And your other hand, every time you're using one hand, the other hand needs to be all the way on your side. Make sure it's not staying down. Okay, from there, you're stepping right, left. Everybody's just going right, left. You're not extending your hands. It's just a small boom, boom. It's not a full push. Yeah, hands are parallel. Okay. Don't keep them too low. Keep them almost like in line, not in line with the chest, but not so low either. Kind of like in line with your ribs. You're going boom, boom. Yeah. So it's just a step, step. From there, the boys are going shake, shake this way. This is a 90-degree angle. Girls, you're doing the same thing, but you're going to come into a first. So you're going 1 and 2. You're doing hip, hip. So your hip is going right, left. Make sense? It's going around. So you're going right. You know how we do this in the first song? Same hip.
ऐसा नहीं होगा.
क्यों नहीं होगा? वो बिल्कुल होगा.
ये बच्ची है ना एक
हर दिन होगा कुछ प्रॉब्लम का क्या नाम होगा?
I know what happened to you. You always like give harder steps. Now you're like obeying. And she's where you say that. Let's do that again from here. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and hip and hip. So you have to join your feet. You guys are not joining your feet. You have to go right and left. So you go 1 and 2. Join your feet. So bring your right to your left. And this your hands don't move. Hands just stay here.
और move your hips with your back.
नीचे का तो मतलब वो है.
So after you guys go 1 and 2, right and left. Got it? Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. What do you think? Girls don't do that. पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है.
तो ऐसे राउंड करके करना.
नहीं, it's right, left.
ये देखो ना. Bend this knee. Then bend this knee. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. You bend the knees one after the other. Bend your left knee.
ये तो वीडियो निकाल.
But ये तो किया है ना हम लोगों ने. We done this step. So why you guys having a hard time with it? Keep your knees soft. Let's try it again from here. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. From there, I'm assuming you guys will get it. There's no reason not to.
Okay.
Open up your mudra. All of you guys, open your fingers up here. So we went 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, we go dip. 6, 7, 8. Everybody does a dip.
Front.
Yeah, front. This hand is a jazz hand. You guys are doing 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's pulling 5, 6, 7, 8. So you went, you finished 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Yeah, I'm turning my shoulders a tiny bit because otherwise it's kind of hard to do this. I'm going a little bit slightly tilting my body. Yeah? Okay, let's try the whole thing. 5. From here, slow. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Guys, this is fast.
Okay. Fast.
Fast, fast. It's not a, it's a little bit faster. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and push and push. Front and 2 and thumb. Step and hip and hip. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Watch this hand. Palms are down. It's a jazz hand. Open up your fingers and make sure it stays shoulder level. Don't start dropping it. Like this or like this. From front to back. Oh. And open up your jazz hands. Again, 5. Same thing, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and push. Front and 2 and thumb. Forward and hip. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Yeah. देखो नहीं, वहीं रखो. Let's try with music.
Start किया.
Questions? You guys got it? Any question? Everybody had got the step?
Yeah, you got it.
It's slow, it's not very fast.
गुबारी फैमिली दे हाथ नियारी चुगनी चुगनी चमक चिंगारी बातों बात कर दी है हाथों हाथ मार दी है
बात मारती है।
जुगनी
ये तो सीधे
क्या हुआ?
गर्मी हवा दी उड़ी गुबारी फैमिली दे हाथ नियारी चुगनी चुगनी चमक चिंगारी बातों बात कर दी है हाथों हाथ मार दी है बैठे काबीना बैक सीट
This thing expected, we have too many changes. One way we are doing this, one way we are doing this, then we are doing this. So we need to practice that.
That's okay, but it's slow, so you guys should get it. Five, six, seven.
गर्मी हवा दी उड़ी गुबारी फैमिली दे हाथ नियारी चुगनी चुगनी चमक चिंगारी बातों बात कर दी है हाथों हाथ मार दी है बैठे काबीना
कौन सी मूवी का है?
Tanu has one.
Oh.
From there, can I go on?
हाँ हाँ
Yes. So from there, ये क्या कर रहे हो यहाँ पे ऐसे? Shoulder level. They don't shoulders up much to shoulder level. Bring the front.
यहाँ से शुरू हो गया है।
Pulling from the front. Oh. No, from all the way from the front. But from here.
Oh.
Guys, don't do weird things with
Okay,
your
okay.
hands. See, साथ में आता है stuff.
I didn't.
Don't bend your wrist or anything. It just pulls back with your elbow.
तो दोनों
Don't flex your hands. Just keep them flat. Keep your hands flat and then just pull back.
Yes, that was not good.
Okay, from there, what's going to happen is one side of the stage is going to go, then the other side of the stage is going to go. समझे? So if you're on this side of the stage, that side holds, and if you're on this side of the stage, then that side holds, something like that. But for right now, everybody just learn it. Hi, Gopi auntie. Hello. So it goes this side. Everybody learn it. You're going. Where are we? We finished this, right? If you're going to step out again, you're going up, down. This is diagonal. So it's diagonal. Guys, okay. So it goes out. Pull it in. Out. In. Out. In. Pose. So it goes. Pose. Yeah. Watch your angles. It needs to go diagonal. Diagonal. When you go niche, don't drop it down and pull it in. It's not like this, it's pulling in. So 1 and 2 and 3, boom.
सीधे लिखिए।
1 and 2 and 3 and pose. Yeah? 5, 6, 7, 8, up and down and up and pose. Yeah. It says baat kar diya tha, so it's like 6, 7, 8, hit. Again 6, 7, 8. From there,
The
just
leg
go.
movement is like this.
Boys just go center, twist.
Twist.
Girls are doing a little bit of a hip. It's mostly a bounce, yeah? So girls, you're doing a little bit of a hip. Boys, you're kind of staying more flat. 6, 7, 8. Pose. From there, it goes up. So right now you guys are here, but the other people won't be here, right? They'll be straight. Because you won't be doing this part. Yeah, so you guys will so just learn the next part. From there it goes hand, boom, boom. Goes clap, clap. So it goes clap this way, ulta, hit, hit. पहले मैं girls को boys को wait करने वाली थी ना सर. Boys again you guys get upset. They always pitoing you. And they go like this to you guys.
We always miss it.
You are used to it.
I wanted to do that first, but then I thought, hey, boys were anyways complaining about that, so maybe not. So go.
Show the clap slowly.
Clap. Yeah. Flick. Flick. This is like a slap.
करते थे ना
Step करो,
स्लैप करेंगे
step करो, slap मत करो. 6, 7, 8, and slap and slap. अच्छा, you don't do all this. You don't slap somebody like this, right? Keep your hand together. I don't know, I'm not slapping anybody, but keep your hand together. 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and hit and hit. Yeah. Yeah. Put up body unit.
और सीधा करना
No, as in you should be facing this way if anything, not this. Should be 1 and 2 and 3. This. No, it should be in.
So you're in front.
No, it's not a throw, right? You're going this way. If you're hitting somebody, you have to go this way.
कैसे है
This side.
Yeah.
ऐसे टिप चलना
Yeah.
ओके
Okay, let's try from the first one. So 5. What is the this one? 6, 7, 8. Na 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 na. Pose. Hit. Na na na.
या
Yeah.
ये हाथ का कंट्रोल है
So 9 hand is working.
One last time, then we'll do the whole thing. 6, 7, 8. Then from there, basically, we're just going to go like you're driving. What everybody does together. It's like a car. You're holding a steering wheel, so you're like. Then it goes into the chorus. Okay, we're pretty much out of time, so let's do it from the beginning. It's really 5 minutes delay. So let's take it from the top of this. Yeah, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and push, front and 2 and thumbs, front, 2, hip 3 and 4, dip, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, hip and 6 and flick, drive, 2, 3, 4, push, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, when you push, your hands go out and then drop to the sides. Yeah. And lean forward a little bit. So you're leaning forward with your body and then you straighten up. Questions? Let's try the music right away because I feel like the lyrics kind of help. I've got the full mix now, Jayanti. I can send you the full mix.
ओके
So then you guys can listen to it. I think the lyrics help.
फैमिली दे हाथ नियारी चुगनी दुगनी चमक चिंगारी बातों बात कर दिए बातों बात मार दिए बैठे का बिना बैक सीट
बनो तेरा स्वागत लागे सेक्सी बनो तेरा स्वागत बनो तेरा स्वागत लागे सेक्सी
Okay.
दे हाथ नी
I know this feels fast, but remember that you'll be only doing one side. Either you'll be doing this or you'll be doing this or you'll be doing this. You won't do both. You can come in if you want to take it.
गर्म हवा दी उड़ी गुबारी फैमिली दे हाथ नियारी चुगनी दुगनी चमक चिंगारी बातों बात कर दिए बातों बात मार दिए बैठे का बिना बैक सीट
बनो तेरा स्वागत लागे सेक्सी
Let's do this song one thing. Can we do everything once?
Yeah.
Should we say
करो
all 3 songs?
तो ये खत्म हो गया
नहीं हुआ मतलब